everyone, welcome to my Baha Mar vlog from vacationing in Nassau, the Bahamas. In this video, I will be sharing with you my experience at the resort and we will be exploring Baha Bay, their newly opened water park. I went in the month they opened. You may be wondering, is it as advertised, like this footage here from their website? And is it worth it to stay here, especially compared to Atlantis? Stay tuned to find out. What an entrance. Immediately upon arrival, there is no mistake that this is a luxury resort. Also, international guests do have to take a COVID test when flying in and out, down this hall here. Literally in no time, we were able to check in at the front lobby. On our way there and to the room, we were admiring the luxury and uniquely designed ocean theme all around. This resort actually has 3 hotels within it: Rosewood, SLS, and Grand Hyatt. We stayed at Grand Hyatt and our room was amazing. On the left side here, the bathroom had a wooden divider which can open, and while you shower, you can see a view of the Caribbean Ocean. It was spectacular. The decor and interior design was amazing. And now for the most significant, notable part of the hotel experience, the view. You can see the entire Caribbean Ocean. It overlooks the resort. There's SLS right there from the Grand Hyatt building, the water park, the entrance to the Grand Hyatt. Here's the balcony itself. Then there's a gym. Lastly, if you look out to the distance, you can see Atlantis, which I did a video on, by the way. The link will be in the description. Now, to the water park. Baha Mar's beach is so beautifully scenic, it really looked and felt like a dream. Here on the left is Baha Bay's infinity pool that overlooks this ocean view, as seen on their website. The ocean water is so still and clear and the sand is so white and soft. We decided to go jet skiing. It is a separate cost, but it is so worth it to go jet skiing in the Bahamas. Finally, Baha Bay Water Park. There are so many rides at this park and so many things to do. When you enter, to the right is where the infinity pool is located. We were able to get POV footage of the lazy river and all of the water slides, except for this one here because it was closed. As lively as the resort is, it's also very calm because the entire resort is huge. My conclusion? Baha Mar and Baha Bay is 100% exactly as advertised. They also offer day passes too now. You may still be wondering, is it worth it to stay at the resort? If you haven't decided based on the footage so far, keep watching. Or just keep watching in general, because what you'll see is astonishing. Here is the other side of the beach on the other side of the dock, where you can lounge, swim, relax in the water, and during the day, they also offer free kayaking and paddleboarding. This complimentary service is offered if you stay at the resort. Hotel guests have all access to the beach until the sun sets. The dock is another wonderful addition to the resort. Some guests privately boat to other islands, while other guests mainly just go here for walks, to look at the view, and to sit and chat. Heads up, the dock has some chairs. Even at night, the view is beautiful, and you can see all the various pools they have out here. Check that out. Beautiful nighttime view. The nightlife at the resort is just as lively as it is with the energy during the day. Downstairs is a casino, and if you enjoy luxury shopping, there are luxury shops located everywhere. Here are some for example. If luxury shopping isn't your thing, you can also get dressed up and go to dinner and explore the entire resort. There are so many restaurants and bars all over the resort. These restaurants and bars are all of different themes, and so it sets different moods and vibes and makes it seem like there's so much more to do. Compared to Atlantis, they have one main theme, but I notice here at Baha Mar there are various themes for everywhere you go, including the pools, which I will show you momentarily. Here is just an example of one outside during the night. We enjoyed lounging, strolling around, and exploring the resort at night. The atmosphere was wonderful, even more at night, with the well-lit pools and beautiful landscaping. Typically, Baha Mar also has nightclubs, but they were closed during our visit. Yet, we still ended each day so happy and awakened to each day so excited. The energy at Baha Mar feels great. This resort literally has everything. Once again, there's a gym building below. You can work out inside or outside. Baha Mar also has a golf course, a spa, and offers yoga classes. Right now, I am zooming into where you can go paddleboarding and kayaking. If you can't tell by now, I am in love with this resort because what else does this resort have to offer? Well, the last major thing is so many pools with different themes. Yes, they all have unique themes, just like the various parts of the resort, all the different restaurants and the bars. The versatility is endless at Baha Mar, making it feel like there's an endless amount of things to do. And the walks to the beach and to the pools are so relaxing with their landscaping. This is how it looks during the day. There are various private pools that not everyone has access to, but here I am showing you the ones that everyone does have access to. I am not going to describe the different themes and vibes here, but comment below and let me know how you would describe the themes and vibes of these various pools that I'm showing you based on the footage. I think you can just tell how each one is different. Each pool's vibe speaks for itself and offers a different experience. This pool actually has music that plays under the water. It is so cool. The resort is absolutely suitable for all ages, for families, for young people, for people who are older, for couples, for singles, for women and men. You just go to wherever within the resort that best suits the vibe and experience that you wish to have. Saving the best for last, here is their cave pool where you can also go cliff diving and can observe the marine life from inside the caves. Mar is great. It truly is a luxury, modern resort, and I really loved all the time spent here. It was one of the best vacations I've ever had, and I would so return. With that being said, I do prefer this resort over Atlantis, and if I had to choose to do a day pass at one, I would do the day pass only at Atlantis. Baha Mar just has so much more to do. Atlantis is, however, extremely great for family adventures if you have a young family, because Atlantis' theme is very wondrous and imaginative. Those childhood memories would be priceless.
We had the shark up here the other day. Oh, so you could just lay down beside it. It was pretty cool. That's amazing.
I never seen a turtle at close.